Visitors are landing on your website and leaving without taking action. Whether you run an e-commerce store, a SaaS platform, or a service site, this is a common problem. Low conversions, high bounce rates, zero connection. Stop losing visitors and start using Fouita.com. Go to the page widget and search for Video Popup. Choose your template, whether you have one video or multiple. Don't have a video? No problem. You can create a stunning one effortlessly with HeyGen. Just type your script and let it do the rest. Now back to Fouita. Click to choose your template, then start editing. Upload your video, add the button link, update the subscription text and button label, then click Create Widget. Copy the embed code. Head to your website. On WordPress, simply add a code block, select Custom HTML, paste the code, and hit Save. Just like that, your pop-up video is live, grabbing attention, building trust, and driving action.
Number 1, make a list of every single marketing opportunity that you can think of, good or bad. For example,
Turn visitors into customers faster than you think. Let's try it now at Fouita.com.